Today's a day we celebrate, smiles and laughter, feeling great. Candles glowing, wishes too. All the love is here for you.
Please welcome your host.
Our reason to celebrate, our reason to time, our reason to enjoy. Good company and wine, family and friends, make some noise! Ayun na talaga. How about we can start this lovely program with a big round of applause. Palakpakan mo dyan ng may kasamang iyaman! Ayun na talaga yung energy natin. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the lovely first birthday celebration and baptismal program for our handsome birthday boy, none other than Jerry Oliciano. Palakpakan mo dyan! By the way, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Jose Stanley at your service, and I want to welcome you here at Rimaya Plaza here in Hura. For sure, we'll have fun and exciting activities, so please stay tuned. Sit back and relax. Palakpakan ulit dyan! And at this point, I would like to acknowledge all our guests, especially to our cute little kids, mga chikiting natin. Very dashing and wonderful outfit. You look all handsome and beautiful with our team there, like your host, Jose Stanley, wearing color blue. Yung iba po na nakaway na color blue, no? Just to let you know, ang ating theme for tonight or for this day is bear. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, are you all guys ready to meet and witness the Oliciano family on the grand entrance? Say yes, come on! Are you all guys ready to meet and witness the Oliciano family on the grand entrance? Say yes, come on! Yes! And ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, may request everyone, please all rise, that na po magsitayuan. And without further ado, please help me welcome this beautiful family, the Oliciano family, together with Daddy Ariel, Mommy Jimmy, and our handsome birthday boy, Jeriel. On the grand entrance, let's give a big round of applause. Ayun na talaga. Okay. Ayun na nga talaga, pinakainitayin natin. Let's all welcome and let's give a round of applause for this beautiful family, the Oliciano family! Woo! Alright, Daddy Ariel, with some handsome fortune tonight for this day. Can you give a few words to all the ones who came for tonight lovely event?
Enjoy na muna yun. Salamat sa mga nakatay.
Oh my God, you look so fabulous for this day! Mommy Shiri, give a few words sa lahat ng bisita na simunta ngayong gabi.
Thank you sa lahat ng mga dumalo, especially sa mga ninong at inang, sa mga nag-spend ng time ngayon. Kahit alam ko may mga trabaho kayo, lalo po kay Father at sa mga kasama niya, maraming salamat po.
Ayun na nga talaga, let's give a round of applause for this beautiful family, the Oliciano family! Woo!
Sumainyo ang Panginoon.
Sumainyo.
Ang mabuting balita ng Panginoon ayon kay San Marcos. May nag-have an everlasting life. And that is the at ng Anak at ng Spiritus.
Ito na pinaka-momentous, the happiest birthday song for Jeriel as he celebrates for the first year given life, first year of existence for tonight, amazing occasion. Come on, happy birthday to you. Come on, happy birthday to you. Oh yeah, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Once more, happy birthday to you. Come on, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Jeriel. Come on, happy birthday to you. Oh yeah, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Jeriel. Okay, since our birthday celebrant, Jeriel, ito, Daddy Ariel and Mommy Shini, please close your eyes and make a wish for him.
Sabi mag-wish, wag iiyak. Parang love letter ata yung bakla.
And then, blow the candle.
1,
2, and 3. Ayun na nga talaga, ladies and gentlemen, let's see all together. Happy Jumbo, hotdo, kaya mo ba to? Kaya mo ba to? Ayun na, kaya mo ba to? How to hit, how to and then touch your buttocks, touch your toes, and then touch your knees, touch your breasts, touch your head, touch your throat, touch your nose. Sit down. We're rocking the boom. Sit down, and battle. All the time. Ladies and gentlemen, before we officially close our program, we will listen to the word of thanks and gratitude from the proud and loving parents of Jeriel. Pangunahan mo, Daddy Ariel.
Una sa lahat, gusto ko magpasalamat sa inyo lahat, sa lahat ng nakarating, dumalo, kahit na ganito sitwasyon natin dito sa Bahrain. Still, dumating pa rin kayo sa ni DJ, sa baptismal and first birthday niya. Kaya maraming salamat sa inyo lahat.
Big round of applause for the loving proud father, Daddy Ariel. How about for you, Mommy Sheeny? What will be your message, a thank you message sa lahat ng mga bisita nagsipunta ngayong gabi?
Nobela yata yung matay.
We are truly grateful to everyone who came and celebrated Jeriel's baptism and birthday with us. Your presence and love and thoughtful wishes made this special day even more meaningful for our family. With heartfelt gratitude, we would like to thank everyone who sponsored and supported Jeriel's first birthday celebration. Your generosity and kindness truly made this day extra special and unforgettable for our family. We are deeply thankful for your love and support. May your kindness be returned to your hundredfold. Thank you for taking the time to be with us, for sharing these precious moments. We feel so blessed to have such a wonderful people in our lives. God bless you all. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, how about putting round of applause once again for this loving, the proud parents of Jeriel, Daddy Ariel, and Mommy Sheeny. Once again, palakpakan mo dyan. Before we officially close our program, ladies and gentlemen, we would like to extend our heartfelt gratitude to all the participants at mga bisita in gracing this momentous occasion. Palakpakan yung mga sarili. Once again, let's say all together, happy birthday, Jeriel. Come on!
Happy birthday, Jeriel!
At bago tayo talaga mag-closing remarks, I would like to hear your feedback or testimonial regarding for my hosting. Take it away, Daddy Ariel.
Splendid yung pag-deliver mo at pag-host sa birthday ng anak ko. Thank you very much.
Napakagaling mo.
May ako, syempre may prepare din ako, di ba? So, hi Stanley, and I just want to say really thank you, sincerely thank you for being such a wonderful host during Jeriel baptism and birthday celebration. You did an amazing job, everything flowed smoothly, and your energy really made the event lively and memorable for everyone. We truly appreciate your professionalism and the way you engage with our guests. You helped make this special day even more meaningful for our family. Thank you so much, and we hope to work with you again in the future. Thank you.
Ibali mag-apply na ako kasi gusto ko mag-work sa inyo. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan natin ang magandang family na ito, the Liquiano family, embracing this momentous occasion as we celebrate for Jeriel first birthday celebration and at the same time the baptismal program. And once again, let's give a round of applause for Father or Bishop Faustino Reyes for coming over here on this momentous occasion. Once again, let's say all together, happy birthday, Jeriel!